explore the revolutionary intersection of 3D printing and medicine, where cutting-edge technology is reshaping the landscape of healthcare, from patient-specific treatments to personalized medical devices. In this episode, we'll delve into the transformative potential of 3D printing in medicine, examining its applications, advancements, and implications for patient care, surgical procedures, and biomedical research. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, enables the creation of complex three-dimensional objects layer by layer, using digital design data. In the field of medicine, 3D printing has emerged as a game changer, allowing for the fabrication of patient-specific anatomical models, implants, prosthetics, and even organs. One of the most significant applications of 3D printing in medicine is the production of patient-specific anatomical models for surgical planning and education. By converting medical imaging data, such as CT scans and MRI scans, into digital 3D models, surgeons can visualize complex anatomical structures and plan surgical procedures with unprecedented accuracy. These 3D models also serve as valuable educational tools, allowing medical students and trainees to gain hands-on experience and improve their understanding of anatomy and pathology. In addition to surgical planning, 3D printing enables the fabrication of patient-specific implants and prosthetics tailored to individual anatomy. From custom orthopedic implants for joint replacements to patient-specific dental implants and cranial implants, 3D printing allows for precise customization and optimal fit, improving patient outcomes and reducing the risk of complications. Furthermore, 3D printing holds the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation through the bioprinting of functional tissues and organs. While still in the experimental stages, researchers are making significant strides in biofabrication techniques, using living cells and biomaterials to create complex tissues and organ structures layer by layer. Bioprinted tissues and organs have the potential to address the critical shortage of donor organs and offer new treatment options for patients with organ failure. Beyond patient care, 3D printing is driving innovation in medical research and development, enabling rapid prototyping of medical devices, drug delivery systems, and regenerative medicine therapies. Researchers are exploring the use of 3D printing to create scaffolds for tissue engineering, drug-eluting implants for localized drug delivery, and personalized medical devices tailored to individual patient needs. Despite its transformative potential, 3D printing in medicine also presents challenges and considerations, including regulatory approval, quality control, and ethical implications. As 3D printing technologies continue to advance and become more accessible, it's essential to address these challenges and ensure the safe and responsible use of 3D printed medical devices and treatments. Looking ahead, the future of 3D printing in medicine holds boundless possibilities. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see further advancements in bioprinting, tissue engineering, and personalized medicine. From custom-designed implants and prosthetics to bioprinted organs and tissues, 3D printing promises to revolutionize patient care, surgical procedures, and biomedical research, ushering in a new era of personalized healthcare. In conclusion, 3D printing in medicine represents a transformative leap forward in the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases and injuries. By harnessing the power of additive manufacturing, we can create personalized solutions tailored to individual patient needs, improve surgical outcomes, and accelerate medical innovation. As we continue to explore the potential of 3D printing in medicine, let's remain committed to advancing patient care, enhancing medical education, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of 3D printing in medicine. As we continue to unravel the endless possibilities of this groundbreaking technology, let's stay informed, engaged, and inspired by the transformative impact it holds for patients, healthcare providers, and biomedical researchers alike.